Guys, welcome back to our channel, AMI Studios, and today I'm here with a special guest, Maya.
Hello.
And today will be doing. What are we doing?
I don't know.
You pick. You pick what we're doing. We started the video without knowing what to do. But before we get started, hit the notification button, subscribe, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Right? Thumbs up.
Why you put the camera so close
I
to my
don't
face?
know. This should be a great picture. Okay, good.
Let's restart.
No, sure. We'll go back to our channel, AMI Studios, and before we get started, hit the notification button, subscribe, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you want to follow us on all our social media, which is Facebook. And today I'm here with a special guest, Maya.
She puts the camera so close to me. Okay, and today
We're doing a vlog video, and
we're gonna go play with the frog.
Poppy.
Oh my god.
Poppy. And also we're doing a frog hunt for Maya's
Frog.
frog. Sadly died.
Okay, let's go.
Candle's here.
Okay, let's go.
This is a blanket and a pillow. Just like lift me up, lift me up.
Okay.
Let's go. We just finished lunch. Okay, we'll meet you when we're getting our thoughts. Bye. Hey guys, I'm here with Caitlin.
That's fine.
Yeah, this is this little brain, and we're gonna throw it to Kendall, right?
No.
Yes.
Well, it's mine, so.
Well, Kendall will give it back. Kendall, do it. You two are sisters, so would you give after the car ride? Would you give it to her? No, you want it? You ready? I'm gonna throw it to her.
1,
2,
3.
Oh, yes, girl. Good catch. And wait, let me stop it. We'll be right back. ATV right now.
Awesome. Yeah, with the cool
with
underneath.
Caitlin.
With me.
And me. And this is our driver, Chris.
Yeah, just right down here.
Daddy, here's the phone. It's
So?
on video. You video.
No, I'm gonna turn it on.
And today I'm here with Caitlin.
Caitlin.
Yeah. Me. And there's Miss Colleen.
Hey.
And my dad is leaning down. And there's Mateo. Mateo, say hi.
Scoy.
And Morgan.
Hello again. Mom.
And there is my mom and Maya.
Back to the frog video.
Yeah. And there is Kendall.
I got a really big mosquito bite. Right here.
And there's Chris. And Alec and Jaju are in the Jeep. So,
What about this yellow one?
great. So, and we're just, all of us are hanging out in RVs. What are they called, Daddy, again? Dad, what are they called again? RVs? We're all hanging out in our ATVs. I'm here with Caitlin in the ATVs again. And we are in Chris's ATV.
So
And it's red in the front. It has like neutral on and off. It has little vibrat things. And we're not going to show you the key. But it has this back seat.
Yeah.
Which my foot is on. And we're sitting on the chairs right now.
Yeah.
It says no, wait, it says no double person, but we're
That's
double
okay.
persons. Yeah, so it's breaking the law. And Colleen and my dad, Mateo and Morgan, are in the big ATV. Look, the safe one. No, this one is the safe one, and that one's the real safe one. That one is the safe-ish one, and the Jeep right there that my dad is talking to Jaju and Alec in. That my dad is talking to Jaju in.
Go fast. And I'm like, sideways. I'm like, yeah, when the road's flat. Not yet, girl.
And
Catch it.
And like, they're all just like hanging out in ATVs.
Please.
Dad has some on there. This is so cool.
Wow.
This is the only time I've been on
Wow.
ATVs in my life is here. Oh, really? I've never been on ATVs.
What?
Hello.
Hi.
Right now we're in the ATV that we showed you guys.
Say it again.
Right now that we're in the ATV that we showed you guys earlier, but
You're
we're
doing
also
good
in,
driving.
I love driving this stuff. It's like a go-kart, right? But I don't use brakes.
But Chris is the best driver. We have the best driver here with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I have
Going down the hills, you should be braking.
on the second
No, Josh is the second good one.
I know.
She's the fast one. Chris is the good one. Josh is the independent one. Mommy's the odd, the crazy driver. And Kendall is like the slow
Yeah, no, that's just me, my driving.
And I'm gonna play some games today and the phone. And the phone today.
No, we're not.
I'm using 10 games.
10 games. Yeah, she tricked you. We're actually not doing that.
Tell him I'll get up to the top and then he can go in front.
Jojo!
I'll go up to the top and you go in front of me.
Okay.
Just letting you know who is doing
Said
this.
he's gonna pull up ahead.
Mateo,
Yeah.
annoying.
And yeah, then just
Annoying.
I'm not annoying. Yeah, you are.
Mateo's nice.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead.
Except for that part when he
And when
hit me, it was
there's a
annoying.
field,
Yeah.
we're gonna stop and wait at that field because there's more air
Come on, girls,
circulating. It's
with
not
me.
as hot.
Wow!
We're gonna wait for Daddy over there.
Inez, come with me. Inez, come
You
with
wanna stay for yourself here?
Yeah.
You can't stay by yourself. Go in Judge's Jeep. Judge is gonna take you to a special
To
spot.
next field and Daddy's gonna be over there.
And then Chris is gonna come
Come on.
meet us. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's take the phone.
Does Chris know this?
Let's go.
Thumbs up, emoji face, hugs. You can do that.
My mama wakes up